Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I make a leaf with a green chart. First of all, we draw a line on these points. I draw a leaf on it in a sequence. We make it easily. It's not difficult to make this. Now it's a finishing line to complete this. Cut all these lines on the leaves. We easily complete this. Cut all the useless surface of this leaf. Now we cut the lines completely. We use these leaves in our decoration, in class decoration, room decoration, or a lobby decoration cut all the surface of these lines. We make it easily in just 5 minutes or at 8-10 minutes. It's not make a difficult. Now look, our leaf is almost ready. Now its looks is amazing. Please subscribe my channel